Magento is one of the best platforms for stores with great features and power for big sales, but with over 100,000 businesses switching platforms yearly, the change is real and growing fast. In this video, I will not just reveal top picks to replace Magento, but compare them to find your perfect fit with easy steps to switch smoothly. So why leave Magento and what's next? Magento alternatives split into two groups: software builders and open source platforms. Picking the right alternative depends on your needs, budget, how much tech you know, and how big you want your store to grow. Look for easy setup, helpful support, costs that fit your wallet, and room to add new features later. Speed matters too, so fast hosting like MGT-Commerce's setup can make or break your choice. Let's first look at software builders. These are perfect if you want something fast, simple, and don't want to mess with code. Think of them like renting a fully furnished store, ideal for beginners and growing brands. For beginners, Shopify leads with a simple dashboard and tons of apps for payments or shipping, starting at $29 a month. It's great for newbies, but extra fees can sneak up on you. Wix suits small shops too, with drag-and-drop design at $27 a month, making pretty stores, though it falters with big sales. For scaling stores, BigCommerce steps up with plans from $39 a month, handling lots of products well, but setup takes more effort. Now, if you like full control, want to own your code, or already have tech support, open source platforms might be your thing. It's like buying land and building your own store from scratch. For dev-friendly users, WooCommerce pairs with WordPress free to start and offers endless tweaks with add-ons, perfect if you're handy with tech, though hosting costs $5 to $10 a month. PrestaShop, also free, works for small stores with easy themes, but updates can be a chore. OpenCart is free and light, suits basic dev-friendly needs, quick to launch, yet lacks advanced tools. But here's the deal, Magento isn't going away. It's still a solid pick for big enterprise businesses that need heavy-duty features and can handle its setup. Its ability to handle huge product catalogs and custom needs makes it a top choice for big players. Small shops, though, might find it tricky and can switch to lighter options like Shopify or WooCommerce. But for those sticking with Magento, pairing it with MGT-Commerce is the best move because their expert support and fast hosting make managing a big store a breeze, saving you headaches down the line. So are you really going to switch from Magento? It's like migrating from a big setup to a small business-friendly option. Pick what fits your budget and skills, and take the next step by checking out more guides and tutorials from MGT-Commerce. If this helps you, tap that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tricks. See you next time.